This is a 2013 Crownline. The model is the E4. It's a 24-foot boat, 8.5-foot beam. Has a capacity of 13 persons. The power is furnished by a Mercruiser 350 Magnum, 300 horsepower on a Bravo 3 outdrive with twin stainless steel propellers. This boat is a 2013 Crownline. The model is the E4. It's 24 feet long, 8.5 feet wide. The boat has a capacity of 13 passengers. It's powered by a 350 Magnum, 350 horsepower, coupled to a Bravo 3 outdrive with twin stainless steel propellers. The Crownline has a full instrument panel with a temperature gauge, voltmeter, oil pressure gauge, speedometer, tachometer with a built-in hour meter, fuel gauge, trim indicator, and it has a digital depth sounder. As I stated, it has a capacity of 13 persons, and there's a nice Sony stereo system with 6 loudspeakers throughout the boat. All the stereo speakers are recessed and combined in a module with a drink holder, and in some cases 2 drink holders. It has a very spacious aft-facing lounge seat, which converts to a forward-facing cockpit seat. There's flip-up thigh-rise bolsters on both of the bucket seats. And big storage compartments under every seat. There's a large private enclosed compartment for the head. And inside the head is a Dometic Vacu-Flush head system. Stainless steel sink and an opening cabin port light window for light and air. The bow seating compartment has these very unique contoured lounges with flip down armrests. And there's huge storage compartments under each of the bow seats. The engine is a V8 Mercruiser 350 Magnum, which is 300 horsepower, coupled to a Bravo 3 outdrive with dual stainless steel propellers. Got a nice convertible aft lounge seat